Hi everyone, it's Art from Carmen. This is our next wardrobe we're building in here. So we're gonna take old wardrobe out. We're removing that. And then we're gonna building wardrobe across this wall. This will be shallow a bit because of the chimney breast. Probably hanging will be on this side. So yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you in next video. Hi everyone, it's Art from My Carpentry. Just to catch up with you, we finished the wardrobe. So we're passing on to a painters now. And then we're just gonna have to put handles on once we're done. So just open it up so you can see. And that. So here you can see the radiator is slightly touching in a way. There's few ways of doing it. One way is, well, three. One way is living with it if you're happy with it, because it's not that bad. Other option would be moving radiator or having a small radiator in a room. And third option would be you could cut the door, make like a dummy panel and have hinge here somewhere, so it's away from the radiator. When it opens, it opens fully, but I think it's not too bad, to be honest. So personally, so yeah, that's how it looks inside. So we had to scribe in again. On this one as well. Let's see, what's that? Scribing again. Yeah, as you can see, there's only a bit of wall there. So I'd describe that. Again, we had issues previously where doors were very close to the ceiling, so we dropped it a bit lower this time to make sure it doesn't get caught. yeah, that's the things you need to check, how it's all gonna work out for you when you have older style buildings, because obviously nothing is straight, flat, so you got to get over those things. So hope you enjoyed this video, and catch up with you in the next video.